Congratulations! You just purchased the Superwoman Success Kit and we are welcoming you to our Superwoman Network. You're going to get an email from us so that you can log into our virtual networking forum, and there you can download all the goodies that we have for you. In the forum you can connect with other women entrepreneurs who are going to become superwomen. So you can join venture and affiliate, and we're going to have monthly things happening, so it's going to be exciting. Watch out, superpowers, here we come. I would like to invite you to our Superwomen Networking Retreat that's coming up in May in Bel Air, California. This is a retreat for superwomen prodigies who want to play a big game. You're going to learn how to join venture and affiliate with other women entrepreneurs right at the retreat. You're going to meet and learn from the guest speakers who are these super women who have 6- and 7-figure businesses. The best part is that you get support about your next steps in your business. And then we're going to just have plain fun as women entrepreneurs, because when we connect, we create that energy because we are these super women, and that will come out in those 3 days. So the first 20 women that sign up right here can bring a girlfriend for free. How fun is that? Double the fun. So come join us and get re-inspired and get your superpowers. I can't wait to meet you in person. So register now, call up your girlfriend and come to Bel Air, California.